Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Today we will continue the LBA questions of the Guptas and Vardhanas. Okay. Question number 9 from the Guptas and Vardhanas. Answer the following in a word or in a sentence. ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. Which Chinese traveler visited India during the Gupta period? ಗುಪ್ತರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದಂತಹ ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲರ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The Chinese traveler who visited India during the Gupta period was Faxian or Fahin ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So he was the Chinese traveler who visited during Gupta period. Okay. Thank you.